Hi there, Kate Rijs here, and I'm coming to you from Werribee Open Range Zoo. And I'm here today because I would love to share with you the book Obie the Orange-bellied Parrot, which I have had the absolute pleasure of writing and illustrating for you to enjoy. Now, this story is about a little girl called Ella who loves to go bird watching somewhere not too far from here. And she's looking out for a very special bird. Shall we read together? Obie the Orange-bellied Parrot. Each year, Nan and Ella watch the birds. Far away, Obie the Orange-bellied Parrot gets ready to fly. Ella waits for Obie. Obie is ready. Up, up, up he flies. Ella looks for Obie. Obie flies along the coast. Obie flies across the sea. Obie flies under the clouds. Ella can see lots of birds. She sees bluebellies, blackbellies, and spotty bellies, but no orange bellies. She sees brown bellies, white bellies, and stripy bellies, but no orange bellies. Look, Ella, says Nan. It's Obie. You came back.